Want to start a Botox side hustle or master medical weight management from the comfort of your home? Say hello to IPAM's exclusive on-demand training and learning lab, your all-in-one gateway to aesthetic medicine success. With IPAM's on-demand training, you get 24/7 access to industry-leading education taught by board-certified dermatologists. Whether you're looking to master Botox injection techniques, dermal fillers, or the booming medical weight loss market, this training is designed for busy medical professionals like you. The Learning Lab is your personal toolkit, offering step-by-step modules, detailed video tutorials, and downloadable resources. You'll gain the confidence to treat patients safely and effectively on your schedule. Ready to take your career to the next level? Don't wait. Start your journey with IPAM's on-demand training today. Master your skills, expand your practice, and achieve true autonomy in the booming field of aesthetic medicine.